Got all the money. When we didn't have the lights, it was really difficult to get everybody together for practice. So we were doing a lot more individual work, and there was only maybe one day on Saturdays where we had everybody working together. And softball does have some positions that are kind of individualized, but most of the other stuff, we do as a team. We just had a hard time doing when we didn't have the light.
Getting to play at night, we won't have to miss as much class, and that is very beneficial because we are here first to get our degree.
We've been trying to get these for so long, and it's just so awesome to see how our community came together, and the faculty and alumni really worked hard to get us the money to bring lights to the field.
I think it's really encouraging for our girls and for all of the athletics and for all of the school in general, just to see how fast this Mind, Body, Soul campaign is moving forward.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you!